Hello guys, iOBV here, and today I will be giving YouTube my first batch tutorial. So first, let's start off where batch came from. The first operating system, batch processing has been around since the 1970s, but Microsoft came out with this operating system, I believe in the 1980s, called MS-DOS, and it was all batch processed, so the whole operating system, or most of it at least, looked like this. Just one big CMD, or command prompt. Yeah, it was pretty boring, and pretty much if people wanted to access games, they had to do it all from here. It was actually a more effective way of doing things, but see, idiots today on computers, they don't know how to do anything. They want everything to be visual, but for some of the stuff I navigate around with the command prompt, it's actually much more useful. I'm sorry about that. It just opened for some reason. For instance, sorry guys. For instance, if I wanted to go to the notepad, I would type start notepad.exe. If I wanted to go to the, let's say, so start Firefox. I don't even know if this is real. Yeah, see, start Firefox.exe. It's faster than, if you know your command's good, then it's faster than visually doing it. So now let's get started with the tutorial. So today we will be using no other than Notepad++. If it's a syntax highlighting tool for many programming languages, if you need it, you can just Google Notepad++, and boom, or no, sorry, Notepad++, Notepad++. Okay, there we go. You just Google it, and then this is their website, and then download, and then installer. So now let's pick our language, batch, since that's what we're going to be programming in today. Okay, so first program. There we go. And now, first, all our batch programs have to start with echo off, or they will mess up and look all demented and everything, or they'll look really out of place. And then let's add a title to our batch program. Let's name it my first program. As you can see, it's actually pretty easy syntax to remember. Then let's add the actual thing. So let's go down the line and type echo. Hello. This is my first batch program. Pause. Go. Thanks for staying with us. Pause. Exit. Have a nice day. Okay, so let me explain what I just did. I typed echo. Hello, this is my first batch program. Echo is to display a line of text on the screen. Pause is so it'll pause the program, and then when you get user input again, it'll go to the next line of code, which is another echo statement saying thanks for staying with us. And then pause again, so when it gets input on the screen again, it'll exit the program. So let's actually run this. Hello, this is my first batch program. Thanks for staying with us. Press any key to continue. So this was very simple. If we want to spice it up a bit, we can add color. Many people color 0A, no 0B. Let's do 0B and see what color that is. Oh, 0. Okay, looks like I had the syntax wrong. I'm sorry. 0, 1. Oh, looks like I had the syntax wrong again. I'm sorry. 0B. There we go, guys. Hello, this is my first batch program. Thanks for staying with us. And then you can do many more things to make this advanced, like Um, yeah. So this was somewhat my first tutorial. I know it was a little short, only 5 minutes, but this was my first tutorial, and next tutorial will be covering, I guess, variables and some more advanced CRUD.